Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to work with cookies in SurfSky. There are several ways to handle cookies through the API. You can import cookies when creating a profile, as well as upload new cookies into an existing profile. We'll explore importing cookies for persistent profiles. You can do this by passing cookies to the appropriate parameter in the API method. Let's look at a real example. We'll create a persistent profile and pass an array of cookies in JSON format. For this example, these are session cookies from Amazon.com. Next, I will open the website and verify that the cookies are set and the account is logged in. I've created the profile here and received the profile ID. Next, I will set this ID in the function to start the profile and execute it. The profile has started, and now I will open the DevTools console to visually inspect the website. As you can see, the account is logged in, and we are in the Amazon.com account dashboard. In this video, I showed you how to use existing cookies in profiles. This feature is especially useful when you need to transfer an existing session to a SurfSky profile. It saves time by avoiding repeated logins and setup, ensuring continuity in your work. Thank you for watching.